Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Display Driver Uninstaller errors. Safe removal guide step by step clearly. Download the latest DDU from the official WagnerSoft site and save it to your desktop. Right-click the DDU zip file and choose Extract All to a simple folder like C:\DDU. Create a restore point by searching Create a restore point and selecting Create. Disconnect your internet by unplugging Ethernet or turning off Wi-Fi to prevent driver auto-installs. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Then Advanced Options. Then Optional Updates. And note any pending driver updates. Press Windows+R. Type config. And press Enter to open System Configuration. Go to the Boot tab. Tick Safe Boot. Select Minimal. Then click Apply and OK. Restart the PC and let Windows boot into safe mode. Open the extracted DDU folder and run Display Driver Uninstaller exe as administrator. If you see a security prompt, click More Info and then Run anyway. In DDU, click Options and enable Prevent Downloads of Drivers from Windows Update for this session. Select your device type as GPU from the right side drop-down menu. Select the correct vendor, NVIDIA, or AMD or Intel, and double-check it matches your installed card. If DDU shows an access denied or cannot create folder error, move the DDU folder to C:\DDU and run again as admin. If DDU shows a missing DLL or VC runtime error, install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and reopen DDU. If DDU freezes on launch, temporarily disable third-party antivirus and retry in safe mode. Click Clean and Restart for the standard safe removal option. Wait until DDU finishes and the PC automatically reboots to normal Windows. After reboot, press Windows+R, type config, and untick Safe Boot to avoid being stuck in safe mode. Restart once more to confirm you are back in normal mode. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, and confirm it shows Microsoft Basic Display Adapter or your iGPU only. Run Windows Update and pause updates for a moment if it immediately tries to install an older driver. Download the latest stable GPU driver directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel official websites. Install the driver using the default or clean installation option if available, then reboot when asked. Reconnect your internet after the driver installation is complete and stable. Open your GPU control panel and confirm driver version, resolution, and refresh rate are correct. If you still get DDU errors, run SFC with sfc/scan now in an admin command prompt and try DDU again. If Windows keeps reinstalling a bad driver, use Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter to block that specific driver update. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.